Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve arrow keys not working in Excel issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Microsoft Excel screen freezes when scrolling using 6 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome arrow keys not working issues. Solution 2. Turn off scroll lock. A common reason why arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel is if you have inadvertently enabled the scroll lock feature. To turn it off, right-click on the status bar at the bottom. Then, click the scroll lock option to uncheck it. Solution 3. Enable sticky keys. Another way to fix arrow keys not working in Excel is to enable the sticky keys features on your Windows computer. To do so, open your system's control panel. Click on Ease of Access Center. Next, click on Make the keyboard easier to use. In some operating systems, you may need to click Change how your keyboard works before you see this section. Enable the option that says Turn on Sticky Keys, and click on OK. Solution 4. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause issues when working on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins, and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 5. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to this issue. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the control panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 6. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve arrow keys not working in Excel, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about Microsoft Excel arrow keys not working issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.